Okay, I'm out here with the Kraton again. Yeah, early in the morning again. And this time I do have another dubious upgrade on it. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's heavy. I weighed it because it seemed a lot heavier than before, and it's like 33 pounds. Yeah, 33 pounds. Why, Kraton? And why is it so heavy? Yeah, both the front and rear. So I'm not going to say nothing about that. I do have the hot racing steering blocks in. I can't get them for the rear yet since they're on back order. But I'll get those too. And this thing probably has almost no battery life left. So just a willy machine. Yeah, Mr. Kraton. Mr. Kraton. So let's just say I'm done breaking arms. I've already broken two sets of arms in total, two complete sets of arms, and about three extra front arms. So yeah, I'm done with that. But these arms do have the car weighing 33 pounds. And on top of that, I'm planning on putting in the aluminum center gearbox, and the front and rears whenever they do come out. Most of this is just really, it's eye candy. Yeah, but I really need that rear and that front and rear aluminum diff. I mean, it really needs the front and rear aluminum bulkheads. Seriously. Because one of the things that I've broken on this, and the car was completely on the ground, it's not jumping or going crazy or nothing, is that I pulled out the uh the screws on the wheelie bar that I had up there that was bolted to the rear of the truck. And this was when the plastic piece was still in. This came completely out. This right here. I mean, the whole thing was just pulled out of the bulkhead. So I had to replace the bulkhead. That would not have happened if the bulkhead was aluminum. Oh yeah, and another thing that I did just out of the blue was replace the blue wheelie bar wheels with the wider wheels that came off those roller skates. Yeah, I like the look of that. Yeah, I like the look of that. But anyway, this thing didn't already hit LVC on me since I was already out here for about 3 minutes before I started recording. Oh boy, you gotta love how fast this thing is and how fast it drains its batteries. This gearing is awesome. And when I say it's awesome, I mean it's another world. I mean, from when I got this thing back in December, I was like, okay, we have a Kraton 8S, and it has this tiny little motor in it. And we can hawk up the tiny little motor with a big pinion and get it to run 50 miles an hour. Awesome stuff. Yeah, that's those days are long gone. Oh, God. Oh, boy. And it has been a nice long road. I mean, nearly 7 months later, we're still working on this thing. So, yeah, it's getting there. Probably by the end of the year, I have it completely set. and completely beefcaked and completely chef cleaned, and yet it's still gonna be out here just running and running and running until it can't run anymore, which is probably gonna be the 5 minutes if I don't get any more batteries for it. It's all good. It really is. It's all good. I'm looking at you, Kraton. I really am. I'm looking at you. But we'll get there. Just gotta get some bigger batteries now, because I'm not changing this gearing, period. I'm not. It can drain the batteries in 2 seconds, and I still won't change it. I think it's hot. I can't find the plug. There it is. Okay. But we can piggyback it home while it's on LVC. I'll never carry this thing again. I don't even feel like pulling it. Freaking 33 pounds. And I would say it's going to go on a diet, but it's only going to get heavier. Okay, so I'll leave it at that.